An appeals court just ruled that a man's lawsuit over a 2011 incident can go forward. He was bit by a canine twice in the stomach.
Yeah, troopers were chasing a man wanted for a parole violation when that canine officer attacked the wrong man. All new at 6, WBZ's David Robichaud is live in West Bridgewater with the story. Roby?
David, that suspect's truck crashed here next to this commuter lot. Now, Rick Dudley and his buddy were standing here. First, they saw the suspect run by. Then they saw an 80-pound German Shepherd coming at them. Rick thought, okay, the canine's going to continue chasing the suspect, but instead, it attacked him.
So, that's where he hit right there.
Rick Dudley still remembers the day 6 years ago when a pickup truck being chased by the state police wiped out into the commuter parking lot where he and his buddy were getting into their trucks.
My truck was probably parked right here.
An 80-pound state police canine named Jaeger was chasing the suspect and eventually brought that man to the ground. But not until after the dog attacked Rick by mistake.
And the next thing I know, he was jumping up on top of me. Bit my stomach twice. The officer at that time was telling me to get back in my truck, lock the doors. I got halfway through the truck. The dog bit me on my leg. He dragged me out of the truck. I was on the ground. Trooper came over, ripped the dog off of me.
But the damage was done. The dog's teeth had left 2 huge puncture wounds in Rick's stomach and a giant bite mark on his leg.
It's a very vicious and powerful animal.
In 2013, Rick sued the state police, but 2 years later, a judge threw the case out, saying the state police had immunity as a government agency. But yesterday, the Massachusetts Appeals Court ruled the department lost that immunity privilege when the canine trooper caused harmful injury to the plaintiff.
This is a negligent use of force case. This isn't about what the state police had argued was that this goes back to the common law.
The state police released a statement saying the court's decision only addressed the question of whether the trooper is immune from being sued. It did not speak to the allegation of negligence. We look forward to presenting a vigorous defense to that allegation in court.
Now, even though this happened 6 years ago, Rick is still in counseling. He calls the whole thing nerve-wracking. He's afraid of dogs now. The trooper named in the suit is Edward Blackwell. The state police call Blackwell and his dog Jaeger valuable members of the department. The dog was recently retired by the state police. Live in West Bridgewater, I'm David Robichaud, WBZ News.